So now we're going to make some Fujian fried rice. This style of fried rice is very different to the typical Cantonese fried rice that a lot of people are familiar with. So I'm going to chop this aubergine into rounds so it resembles scallops.
Right.
And then I'm going to cut my celeriac into strips to resemble squid.
So I've got my courgette and my mushrooms.
Yep.
Do you need any help?
Yes, so you could chop some of these for me, just a mince, 2 garlic cloves and maybe a third of that ginger.
Okay, yeah.
So the first thing I'm going to do is brown off the seafood.
Yeah.
And so for this I will use our trusty wok oil.
Here you
Thank
go.
you.
And do you want me cooking the fried rice in that oil as well?
Yeah.
Like, I quite like to get my wok nice and hot, you know, smoking hot before I add anything. And I'll sort of sear the vegetables before I add my rice. I've got my mushrooms, my shiitake mushrooms going in. And I'm going to sear those nicely as well. So I've got my veg seared nicely. I'm not going to use any more oil for that. But my rice is going to go straight in. Just turning my heat down on the fried rice just so it doesn't burn. But I'll cook it for maybe a bit longer than usual with fried rice because you want that little bit of crisp around the edges.
Yeah. So I've added my ginger and garlic to this same pan now, and I'm going to start building up my sauce. I'm just going to take the celeriac out. So obviously this dish is resembling a seafoody sauce. So we're going to use our vegetarian stir-fry sauce, which is just a great replacement for oyster sauce.
Yeah, so this is mushroom vegetarian stir-fry sauce. So it's got that mushroom flavour, that deep savoury flavour that we're talking about. How much do you need?
So 2 tablespoons.
All right. There you go. All right.
And then I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce.
Okay.
I've just added about 150 millilitres of water to that, and I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar to round out the flavour. And then I'm just going to reduce it slightly until it's the consistency of a sort of gravy.
Okay. That's looking quite nice and caramelly now.
Yep, so I'm going to I'll add the seafood back in.
It's fake seafood.
I'm just going to quickly toss these in the sauce because I want them to be lovely and saucy on both sides before I add the celeriac in.
So slight crisp, as the chef ordered. I like it, it's fun. So let's just pop that on the side so you can see those aubergine scallops. Easy.
Easy.
High fives. Try the scallop. Oh, wow.
The textures are just spot on, aren't they?
Really are. And that mushroom stir-fry sauce just works with it all, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of brings it all together.
Yeah.
Love it.